Been a long day. We're on the road, late afternoon, heading to a car dealership to pick up our new P1 driving school car. And I'm pretty excited about it because it's going to turn heads, which I love doing. So we're cruising through, we're heading across the north side of Brisbane. I've been picked up by my financial guru when it comes to cars, Mr. Chad here. He's my finance guru for many people actually. He's picked us up in his lovely Audi S3 and he's cruising us across town. He's done all the negotiating, not even just the finance, eh mate?
But everything.
He's got the contacts. So Fuel Asset Finance, he's found the guys, the cars, he knows people who know people, got a great deal on the car, and yeah, all part of the service, isn't it?
Sure is.
Super. And yeah, so we'll probably in about 20 minutes we'll be looking at the new P1 baby. So we're here at the dealership and look at that Kia. How awesome is that? I like the colour too, but I might get, I think the white one's here for us. So there you go, the new school car. Come on now, that's it there.
Oh, you wanted the green one.
We just finalised all the paperwork, have the keys to the new baby, the new beast. Let's go and check it out. And there it is. As I said, I wasn't going to keep it simple or normal. We've gone full spec, we've gone for the i30, but not any i30. We have gone for, take a look. Man, we've gone the N. We've gone the N, baby. So, P1's driving experience will be in the top of the range i30N, man. I'm loving it. I cannot wait to get this out on the road and help people learn to drive in something awesome like this, man. Let's start it up. It's still in N mode. Yeah, it is. That's my goodness. We're not hoons, we don't advocate silly driving and speeding. We just love having fun, we love cars, and that's what this is all about, and I want to give P1 driving learners that same experience. All right, let's see if we can stall the clutch, or stall the car with this new clutch. So we've just picked up the car, it's running, everything's ready to rock. I have no idea how any of this operates at all, but we will work that out, that is not a problem. Car's warm and we're ready to go. The clutch is completely different to what I'm used to. So I've been driving the old Audi for 3 years, every day. And the clutch has worn in a certain way. This is a brand new car, brand new clutch. We have 20 kilometers on the clock. 20 kilometers. I don't think I've had a car with that little amount of kilometers ever. So, oh yeah, the clutch is okay if you play with it. I thought I'd stall. Oh shit. I just pushed the clutch in like it's the Audi. That's bizarre. I can't drive it. It's bizarre. New car, fantastic. P1, new direction. We're going to move forward with some better content, not just our
Children crossing ahead.
What the hell was that? We're going to use the car as a catalyst to produce a series of YouTube videos, some content that will help a student learn even outside the vehicle. That's it in a nutshell. Everyone deserves the right to learn correctly and properly. Even if you can't get lessons, we want to provide content where you can still learn outside the vehicle. You can watch what we do. We'll talk about how to use your feet, hand positions, gearing down, gearing up, shoulder checks. All the little things will be accessible to you all the time. Now, I don't want any cabbies anywhere near it. Eyes peeled, man. So next step now is this will tomorrow AM early be going down to Dual Controls Queensland to have the pedals. The pedals are currently have been pulled out of the Audi, and this will be down there in the morning, and the pedals will be installed into the i30N, into the N. We're just going to call it the N, and hopefully everything goes well with that, and the car will be in training Wednesday. So I need to get some blind spot mirrors for it, because I recommend those. They're a must. Everybody should have little blind spot mirrors on their cars. Makes life real easy, especially when you're going for your test. And I think I'm going to purchase, especially after the events of last Thursday, I'm going to put a panoramic mirror on this to give me a better view of the rear. It'll almost give me a 180 view of the back. And then vinyl wrap, the sign writing will go on the car. Not really got a date yet, so I think I just want to get it back into service, or into service first. Then I will plan a day or so, because that's another day out of my schedule, to get the
in 700 meters, speed camera ahead, 100 kilometers per hour speed limit.
Delivery will be on in probably a month. So we've got one local spot. What the f? Every time I go to talk, pretty much, it wants to do something. How do we piss that off?